Hello everyone, in this video let's talk about bitwise operators. So bitwise operators will perform bitwise calculations on integers. Okay, so first they will convert these integers into binary form. Binary form is zeros and ones, and calculations are performed, operations are performed on this binary form data. That means on these bits, zeros and ones are called as bits, right? So calculations and all operations will be performed on these bits, bit by bit operations will be performed. So that's why we are calling these as bitwise operators. Okay, so after performing all the operations on those bits, the result is again written in a decimal format. Okay, the result will be obtained in decimal format. Totally we have 6 bitwise operators. So what are those means? Bitwise and, okay. Second one is bitwise OR. Third one is bitwise exclusive OR. Fourth one is bitwise complement. Bitwise complement. Okay, next one is bitwise left shift. Bitwise left shift. Okay, and next one is bitwise right shift. So these are the various bitwise operators. Now let's learn about each and every operator in detail. So first coming to bitwise AND operator. So ampersand is the symbol which you have to use for bitwise AND. Okay, so see here I have taken B1 and B2 as 2 bits. Okay, and I am going to perform bitwise AND operation on these 2 bits. So then what will be the output? I have written here. So in bitwise AND operation between 2 bits, if both bits are 1, then only the output is 1. Otherwise, in all the other cases, the output will be 0. Okay. So suppose if I want to perform a bitwise AND operation between 4 and 5. Okay. So that means 4 and 5 are 2 integer numbers. First I have to convert them into binary. Okay. So see here, for 4 the binary representation is, so divide with 2. So 2 is the 2 0, again with 2 1 0 0. So completely I got the data in zeros and ones only, the output. So 1 0 0 is the binary representation for 4. Similarly for 5. So divide with 2, 2 2s 4, 1 is the result, again 2 1 0. So 1 0 1 is the binary representation for 5. So now I want to perform bitwise AND between these 2 numbers. Okay, between these 2 bits, that means 1 0 0 and 1 0 1. Okay, you have to perform bitwise AND between these 2 numbers 1 0 0 and 1 0 1. So here see, 0 and 1 means, see, 0 1 means 0, 0 0 means 0. For if both bits are 1, then only the result will be 1. Okay, so again this result, again this one is to be converted into decimal form to get the result, right? So for 1 0 0, what is the decimal form? 4. So the output for bitwise AND operation between 4 and 5 is 4. 4 is the output. Okay, so like this we have to perform bitwise AND operation. So next coming to bitwise OR operation. So here see, if 2 bits are 1, okay, the result is 1. If one bit is 1 and the other bit is 0, again 1. Okay, next is 0 and 1, 1. That means if any one of the bit is 1, okay, the result will be 1. If both bits are 0, then only the result is 0 in bitwise OR operation. Okay, so here for bitwise OR operation, this is the symbol we have to use. Okay, so see here I want to perform bitwise OR between 4 and 5. So for 4 the binary representation is 1 0 0. For 5 the binary representation is 1 0 1. So we have already seen in the previous example bitwise AND. Okay, so these are the binary representations for 4 and 5. Now I want to perform bitwise OR operation between these 2 between these bits. Okay, so for 0 and 1, if any one of the bit is 1, the output will be 1. If both bits are 0, the output will be 0 for bitwise OR. If both bits are 1, then also the result is 1. So 101 means again we have to convert this into decimal format. So the decimal format for this one is 5. Right? How to convert the binary into decimal? Just apply like this: 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. So 2 square means 4. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 2 power 1 into 0 is 0 plus 2 power 0 means 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. Okay. So this is the output for bitwise OR operation between 4 and 5. So now let's talk about this bitwise exclusive OR. So see here, if both bits are 1, then the output is 0. And if both bits are 0, then also the output is 0. If any one of the bit is 1, okay, then only it returns 1. That means if both bits are different, it returns 1. If both bits are equal, then it returns 0. That is about the exclusive OR. Okay. So now let's perform exclusive OR operation between 4 and 5. So for 4, the binary data is 100. Okay. For 5, the binary representation is 101. So just to perform exclusive OR between these two bits. Okay. So for 0, 1, 1. Both bits are equal, 0. Here also both bits are equal, 0. If both bits are different, then it returns 1. If both bits are equal, it returns a 0. Right? So this is the output. Now I have to convert this into decimal format. So 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. So 0 plus anything power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So the output is 1. So the result for exclusive OR between 4 and 5 is 1. Okay. So that's about the exclusive OR operation. Now let me show the execution. So first coming to bitwise AND operation. So here I am writing the code: hash include stdio.h int main. So here I am initializing two variables, a with 4 and b variable with 5 value. So printf %d comma a bitwise AND of b. Okay, return 0. So this is my code. Let me run the code. So here I will use /n, new line. So see here, let me run the code. So 4 bitwise AND of 5 is 4. Okay. Similarly, here I am using bitwise OR, the same code, bitwise a bitwise OR of b. Okay. So 4 bitwise OR of 5 is 5, right? So let me run the code. So see, 5 is the output. Next, similarly, let me show the exclusive OR. 4 exclusive OR of 5. 4 exclusive OR of 5 is, it should return 1 as an output. Okay. So let me run this one. So the output is 1. So like this we can perform bitwise AND, bitwise OR and bitwise exclusive OR. So in the next video I will explain about the remaining bitwise operators, that is bitwise complement, left shift and right shift operators. Thank you.